Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and guess what we're going to do today? Can you see what's missing on my face? When I look at myself, I realize what's missing is my brows. So as we age, our brows just seem to disappear. They get thinner, and so I have found this product, and it's a kit. You can come in a kit or you can buy it separately, and I love it. The lady's name is Rosemary Swift, and she has a company that just blows me away. Okay, so I want to show you how to do this, and we'll talk a little bit about the product. So come on, girl, let's go do this. Let's get some good brows. Now, although you can buy these products individually, I suggest you get the kit. The kit comes in 3 colors. You got light, medium, and dark, okay? And I chose the medium because I didn't know how dark the dark was when I purchased it. It's the first time I've ever used it, and my brows love it. And you are going to go, wow, that looks so natural, because it does. And you can also watch her, Rosemarie, put it on herself. She's got gray hair. I mean, she's just something else. She's sassy, and I like her. Let's see what else I wrote down here. It's called Back to Brow, is what it's called. And so in this kit, this is what you get. In the kit, this is the powder. Okay, this is the powder that comes with it. Now this is the medium color. You see, that would work for me. I probably could have done the dark color, because you really want to match it to whatever your natural hair color is, and that's my natural hair color, which is, it's kind of a dark brown, but I didn't want it to be too dark. You know, sometimes you can want to look like Groucho Marx. You know, I don't want to do that. And it also comes with this cute little sharpener. It's so precious. I love that. And then it comes with this fabulous brush. This brush is amazing. The way she designed this here, you can actually just use the powder and not even use the pencil that comes with it. However, I like the pencil also. So I like it that it's got a spoolie. This is very soft, it's rounded, it's flat, it's soft, but it's dense. Does that make sense? It's a really nice brush. And then this is the pencil. This is the pencil. This is so cool. When you look at this, I'm thinking, you know, how does this work? I didn't know if it was retractable or not, because looking at this, I'm thinking maybe it was, but it's not. You're going to open it up like that. Look at there. It's a pencil. It's actually a pencil. And then this side has the spoolie. Isn't that cool? I love this. I love this kit. The kit's like $62. Yeah, $62. It's called Ultimate Brow Kit. Okay, I'll put everything in the description box below, so don't worry. Don't worry. But I'm going to go ahead and like comb up. You know, I don't have any hairs anymore. They're kind of sparse. Especially, it seems like they get more sparse here. Now, this one is more sparse than this side. You can see that. And I'm missing hairs here. But this powder is amazing. It really, really grabs and holds and stays all day. I've never seen anything like it before. So let me grab all the stuff and we're going to get started. Now, if you feel like you need to map out your brow first, you can do that. You could take the pencil here and you could map it out, and you could put a dot here, and then you could come right through the middle part of your eye, right through the pupil, and then you could come here and you put a dot there, okay? And then you can just connect the dots. You can do that. If you're really, really sparse, you might want to do that, okay? But, however, I'm just going to show you how to use this powder. It's amazing. All right, here's my brush. See, I want to get it up close so you can see it. You can see I've been using it. It's got stuff on it, but love this. Now, this powder is not like powder. It's not, it's kind of a molten kind of powder. I just bought this on a fluke. I mean, really, I've watched her and I said, you know, she's sassy. I like her. She's kind of connected up with Sephora. She's a makeup artist, and she's 68 years old, and maybe she knows what she's talking about. So that was the key for me. And then I saw her using this brush, and I was like, okay, let's gotta try that. I gotta try it. So this is what I do, or basically what she does. You don't put any gel or anything on this. You're just gonna put the powder. So you're gonna just take it and kind of dab it in, and it's just amazing how it transforms your brow like really quickly. Girl, I fell in love. I did. I will continue to buy this product. This is not sponsored at all. She don't even know who I am, but you know, I love this product. I do. It is so pretty on. Now, this part is designed to, you can take it to the side here and you can do just like that. So if you need to square that off, you can. And that's what's cool. She showed how to do that too. Please go watch her in her videos. She's got blushes and eyeshadows, and it's just a really, really cool website. But I'll put everything down below, and you can click and you can go and watch her video on this. She has videos on doing these things, and she's so sassy. I just love watching her. I'd love to meet her, as she is a go-getter, I can tell. And she's probably always been real strong-minded. She reminds me of my Aunt Ellen, which I loved Aunt Ellen. And Ellen was like that too, my mama's sister. So then you just comb it through, comb it up and down, and then you just come along the top and kind of come down like that. Look at that. That is amazing to me. And that's just powder. It looks so darn real. I mean, I don't know how she created this, but I absolutely love it. Look at the difference the brow makes. It really does. Look how much bigger this eye looks than this one without brow. So let me do this one off camera, and then I'm going to show you how to use the pencil too. Okay, here's the other brow. Now, I could just leave just like this. I really love it. It looks very natural. Let me get up really close. I know it's probably hard to see in my camera, but look at that. Look how much the hair looks like hair. Like, it's just the coolest thing I've ever used. Now, this right here has a sharpener with it. Now, you can put this in here. It comes with it. You can sharpen it, and then it has this little tool here that's stuck inside, and then you just open it up, and you can clean it out with that little tool, and it opens up like this, and you just empty whatever's in there into your trash can. So, and it sharpens it really well. So let me get up here close to you. Okay, let me fix my mirror. I am going to do, I don't know which eye I want to do. Maybe this one would be easier to do. Now, if I really want to define this, I can come here and I can put my dots here, but typically that has already given me my shape, and I'm not really having to do that, right? So I just kind of take this and go along the ends. If you hear my doggie, she's over there laying down, being a good girl for once. She's not always quiet. So if you hear her barking, I'll have to stop, you know, because she gets really loud. She's a pity, and she's a rescue dog. I love her. I do. Oh, look at that. Now, and then what I did, I really don't want to come across the top because I don't want it to be like harsh looking, okay? So what I did was just take this and just lightly go through here. But I want you to see the difference in the two. This is a little bit darker than this side. Now, you have a personal preference of how you like to wear yours. I like to wear them either way. It doesn't really matter to me, but this is, I'm telling you, this is the best brow stuff I have ever purchased. And I just bought it off a whim. I'm like, I'll try it. What have I got to lose? That is so darn pretty. You need to try it. Now, I am going to clean up underneath, but you know what? I really don't have anything to clean up. Look at that. It's like perfect. All right, look at the difference. Which one do you like? Do you like the more natural look? Well, or you like a more defined look? I like them both. I can wear them either way. Now, for work, maybe, I would wear this. And then for weekends, I'd probably wear this. And just put it on and really go and get out the door. What do you think? I absolutely adore this product. I do, and I adore the lady too. So I want you to watch some of her videos. She is kind of sassy girl. I'm going to finish this one off camera, and I'll be right back. Now, I took a little bit of concealer. Can you tell the difference? This is just a little bit brighter. I just used this little brush here. I don't even know what this brush is. It has no name on it anymore. I think it's a Morphe. But I'm using, where's my concealer? I'm using this Huda Beauty. I like this. It's really nice. It's called False Filter Concealer. I don't know. I saw it and just liked the color. So, and I do like it. It's very creamy. But what I did was take this little brush. You can take something even smaller than this. I probably need something smaller than this. But just lightly, if you want to, just go right underneath it. And just come down to the tail. Now, I didn't come over the top. I know some people like to do it all the way around. I don't. And then I wipe whatever's on the hair off, and then I just kind of smooth it out with the brush. And then I'll come and just take my finger and make sure that I just kind of press it into the skin and move my finger right along the bottom, just like that. Y'all gotta try this. Your brows are gonna love you when you use this. I'm telling you. Let me put this up before I get it all over me. Your brows are gonna love this product. They are. They are going to love it, love it, love it. Now, let me get up really close so you can see how natural they look. And I have to take a picture up close, and I'll put it somewhere here so you can actually see up close what it looks like. Done. But it looks like my natural brows, and they're not overdone, and they're not too dark. They complement the top of my head, which is good, Yay! So when you get done, just fluff up your hair. It's hot here today. My hair is going to fall. Alabama, it's hot. I think today's going to be like up to 90. I don't like summer here. I like spring here, but I don't like summer. Okay, so please like and share and click that notification bell. I am here on Sundays only. If there's something you need me to touch on for you, oh girl, please try this. I think you will love, love, love this product. I do. The first time I tried it, I really just sat and stared at it and couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, how much it looked so real and filled in so beautifully. She's got a winning product. That's all I can say. All right. I will see y'all next Sunday. Y'all have a great week. See you later.